Engagement is one of the most important metrics that organizations can track and monitor. Engagement is so important because through an engaged workforce, organizations can have incredible business success. For example, in healthcare environments, we see that a strongly engaged workforce is more predictive of things like quality care, clinical outcomes, patient safety, innovation, and profit margin. There are many business metrics that will excel given a highly engaged workforce. But what exactly do we mean by engagement? What is this measure called engagement, and where did it come from? Well, over time, employee opinion surveys have evolved significantly from measuring just basic satisfaction of the workforce to measuring commitment of the workforce. And the huge step that occurred here was that satisfaction surveys primarily focused on how content a workforce was. But through contentment, you can never be sure that employees are actually committed and want to stay, that they're loyal to the organization. So one of the major advances was to layer in elements of commitment. Do employees want to be part of the organization for a long period of time? From commitment came engagement. And engagement is a much more robust predictor of whether or not organizations will not only have satisfied employees that want to stay, but also it layers in things like the willingness of the workforce to actually exert incredible amounts of effort, be very connected to the organization, and exert an incredible amount of pride when talking about the organization and dealing with others. So engagement as a metric is a much more powerful predictor of whether or not an organization will actually have a workforce that will allow them to have incredible business success.